What's up, YouTube? Your boy's back. So, first off, let me just say thank you for sticking around. I know that I've only posted one video in the past, well, ever. So, today, we're gonna double that video count. Today, I have something very, very exciting. I have Proclip USA. It is a spectacular phone holder for your vehicle, so you're not just throwing it in your cup holder, or, what you shouldn't be doing anyways, holding it while you're driving. Don't text and drive. So what we're gonna do today is we're just gonna install it. It's a very, very simple, very straightforward process. I mean, they've got the instructions right here in the back with the packaging. It actually has two parts. One of them is the piece that goes onto the car itself, and one of them is to actually hold your phone. That's what I love about Proclip. Their holders go specifically to your phone. So there's no wiggle room, there's no chance for a misfit. If it is designed for your phone, it will hold your phone. Let's go ahead and let's get started. All right, y'all, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna unwrap it. Probably should have shown you guys before I tore it up, but I'm just too excited for this bad boy. This is the actual piece that holds the phone holder, or that actually holds the phone itself. So this is actually a padded feature, so it's super nice. It won't beat up or scratch up your phone in case like you hit bumps or whatever. It's super nice. It comes with the screws that you need. Super helpful. You can see here it's got the instructions on exactly what you need to do and how to install it. And look, it's got pictures, baby. That's the first piece. The second piece is the actual angled mount itself. See, it has the item number here to make sure that it actually has what you're looking for. It doesn't come with screws or anything because all you're really gonna need is your pry tool to actually get into this piece right here, because it's gonna go inside your trim. And then we just screw this bad boy on, and then boom, it's ready to go. Super easy, super simple, super straightforward. I think it's a total of, what, 8 steps? Let's go ahead and hash this out, y'all. All we're gonna need, the screws that came with it, maybe a pry tool, just in case, and a screwdriver. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take this piece right here, and we're gonna take out this center screw. But it's gonna come out just enough where you can pop these two pieces separate from each other. Now, you're gonna take this piece, you're gonna take the screws, you're gonna line up this piece right here based on the holes of wherever you want it. You pop one of these screws in here, place it into the placement hole, screw that sucker right in, take another one to the opposite corner just so it can hold and stay in place. All right, now there we go. And boom, look at that. First part's already done. All right, now we're on the second part. We're gonna attach this top piece up in here, and this bottom piece right here is gonna go up here on top of this trim. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take off this tape right here in the back. All right, now the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna pop it in just like that. All right, now all you gotta do is just rearrange it to where the second piece pops in there. Look at that, you're done. Now the last piece, screwing this back on to this part. We're gonna match up the screw to the little hole. See that it's locked in place. We're just gonna screw it right in. And look at that. Super easy, right? Now that I realized that I installed it upside down, oh man, I guess I gotta take it out, right? Squirt. Nope. Just an easy little rotate. Now, all I gotta do, slide it right in, and she is good to go. So that's it, guys. I told you. Very simple, very easy. Now I have a nice convenient phone holder that I can adjust, and I won't have to stick it in there with my chain. That's it. That's all she wrote. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully I'll be able to make another video here in the next couple months. My bad. Special shout out to Proclip USA for the phone holder. Hopefully I'll be able to make more videos, just hanging out with the crew, hanging out with ModFX. If not, my bad. I have a list of subscribers, or a list of channels that I recommend to keep up more accurately with the events, because let's face it, I don't post nearly enough. So make sure to give them a subscription also. Until the next video that I make. Catch you later.